In this quick CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio for a video. As an example, this video is 16:9, is for a long format. For YouTube, as an example, it's Full HD. And in order to change it, what you have to do, first select the video, click once on it, and now you will find here ratio, aspect ratio. Let's click on it. So as I told you, 16:9 is default. It's Full HD, long form YouTube videos, 14:3 it's square, and here is 9:16, this is TikTok aspect ratio, okay, YouTube Shorts format. So as an example, if I will choose this one, what I have to do, I have to resize the video now, and I have two ways to do it. Either I will drag and drop it like that, now it fits perfectly, or either I can do the same thing for here. As an example, 100 is the default size, and if I go 250, basically it will zoom in. And if you want to readjust a size individually, you will have to deselect uniform scale, and now you can drag and drop it without the other margin involved. So this is how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut on the PC. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.